We recreated 4 iconic shots from Dune inside Unreal Engine 5 for free.
And you can do it too.
Shots like this normally require massive crews,
Millions of dollars in budget,
months of planning,
and complex logistics.
Instead, we rebuilt everything inside our studio using Unreal Engine on a Dell PC.
Over the next 4 days, we are going to release 4 separate videos, each one breaking down a single Dune shot from start to finish.
We'll give you all the assets that you need and walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can rebuild these iconic Dune scenes yourself at home. Throughout this series, we're going to explain all of our concepts in the simplest way possible, even for beginners.
In these videos, we are going to teach you how to analyze and break down every single shot to its smallest components. You will master landscape material creation with our secret sauce to make photorealistic dunes that should technically be a paid plugin, but you'll get it for free.
You'll learn about cinematic lighting,
Camera movement,
animation,
particle simulation,
and even smoke simulation from Embergen. Once you learn our process, you won't just learn and understand how to recreate these shots from Dune, you're gonna be able to break down any cinematic scene and rebuild it with Unreal Engine. We've made many incredibly high quality assets so that we can create these shots from Dune, and we're providing you with all of these assets at no cost so that you can follow along easily.
In order to get all of these assets and be notified when we release all these 4 videos, make sure to click on the link in the description and sign up. Recreating shots is one of the best ways to learn how great filmmakers think and how truly cinematic scenes are constructed, whether you're working on a film, animation, or even a commercial.
Now let's quickly talk about the 4 scenes that we're remaking from Dune. These 4 scenes that we're remaking are an inspiration from a sequence from the first Dune by Denis Villeneuve, where Paul Atreides and his father are flying over the sand dunes of Arrakis and find a spice harvester in the middle of the desert. In the first shot, we have a top-down view of sand dunes with the camera moving perpendicular to the landscape. We can see 3 ornithopters flying side by side as they zoom across the screen from the bottom to the top. Each ornithopter is at a different height and flying at varying speeds.
In the second shot, we jump to the back of one of the ornithopters as we view the vast landscape of Arrakis and see mountains of sand till the end of the horizon. The further away the mountains are, the more fog and sand particles cover them.
In the third shot, we take the perspective of the ornithopter itself. With a wide view, we're flying close and over the dunes. We notice a large plume of smoke in the distance, and as we get closer, a spice harvester at work is revealed.
And for our final shot, we jump to the front of the spice harvester with a much tighter angle. The heat distortion is so intense that it engulfs the entire screen. Suddenly, the ornithopter rises to cover the spice harvester for a moment and flies above and out of the shot.
And guess what? You're going to be able to create these shots.
Yes.
So, click on the next video in the series and let's start with scene number 1.